All right, guys, so let's get into box number 2. Everybody is patiently waiting over here. And over here. Can't forget him. So let's get into this one. Again, you know, I've seen in the past people would get some really good buys on these grab bags when they used to be $5. Now they're $10, and I mean, it's just been like, it just has, you know, actually, I did pretty well the first time I got them. It was a lot of Halloween leftover stuff, and I was able to resell a ton of that. And then I was able to give a lot of it away. So that one was pretty good. Since then, oh my God, don't tell me it's just cinnamon scented pine cones, because first of all, they're not going to smell like cinnamon come next Christmas. So there's one. Again, like no prices on any of the stuff that they're putting in these baskets. I'm not sure why. These are usually like $3.99-ish, right? So we have 1, 2. Whoop, I'm just throwing them on the floor. 3. All right, so it's just filler. That's just filler. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my God, guys, what a bust. All right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.